Hello YouTube, I'm Justin.
I'm Caitlin.
And Caitlin got this for me for Christmas. It's simplified Chinese and it's like magnets and packs.
It's the 151 set. You get one pack and one magnet, and the magnets are of the original 151.
And she thinks there's 10 packs?
I believe so.
The sealed, like...
The sealed case of them.
Yeah. So you would like display it on your counter. And it's the simplified Chinese. So I don't know a whole lot. I don't... It's supposed to be their version of the 151?
Yes.
Scarlet Violet 151?
I believe so, yes.
Guess we'll find out. I don't think we've ever opened a Chinese. We've done Japanese, but...
Yeah.
Oh, well. So, they're just in there like that. You would rip open this part here in the front and then display them. We're not going to get into all that. One's actually... Yeah, 151 right there. That's pretty cool. We'll each get 5 to open. I think I gave you an extra one.
You did.
Alright, now how easy are these to open? Are they taped? Oh, they are taped.
They're taped individually.
I'm gonna open the bottom. Careful. It's pretty sharp. Alright, let's see what we got here. There's the pack. Oh, the magnet's even in a...
It's a mystery.
Yeah, it's definitely idiot proof. Oh, the magnet's got some weight to it. Alright. Oh, I want the Gyarados one. That is so cool. How are you?
And they connect to make a big puzzle.
Oh. Any way you want, or... Oh, okay.
You can anyway.
Okay. Pretty cool. That's some weight to it. Definitely solid.
A lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be.
Alright, some of these foreign packs are...
They're cool strange.
Oh, it has the same back as English. I don't know if there's a card trick.
I don't know
But
either.
we got Nidoqueen, Pikachu, Duran, Butterfree, and Snorlax. How many cards are there in a pack? 1, 2, 5.
They're...
Definitely different.
You're right.
Yeah, idiot proof.
Honestly.
Oh, okay, you got a cool one.
Yeah, that is cool.
Alakazam, so you link them.
Link them together anyway, kind of.
Okay. Pretty cool. I like that. Alakazam, that's cool.
I don't like it.
I opened from that side.
This side?
Let me see the box there. I'm just gonna cut the bottom.
That's what I did with mine.
Let you go through yours.
Magnet done?
Pidgeotto?
Yeah.
Victor?
Charmander.
Very decorative.
I like that one.
Alright. This is something a little different. I think it's pretty cool.
I saw them and I was like, ooh, it would be fun to open.
They're just kind of a pain in the butt to open.
True. Hopefully we don't get any. I'm out of juice.
Ooh, Beedrill.
That is cool.
Come on, focus, thank you.
That is cool.
I like Beedrill. I really want a Gyarados. That would be cool. But since that's what I want... I want
Right? Honestly. Oh.
Snorlax. I'm drawing a blank. Heal.
That's how I was doing it.
Magmar. Gloom. Oh,
Shiny.
a shiny Gloom.
I didn't know shiny was right.
I did not know that either. Pretty cool.
That is cool.
I like how on the box it even has a little question mark. 151.
Cute. Charmander. Odd.
It's a cool. It's a cool. This part that's like
Right?
yeah.
I do like the way they're packaged though.
Oddish. Little bitty oddish.
Blueberry. It
I
is.
thought it was an onion.
I don't know. It looks like a blueberry.
I can see that.
That's how I see it.
Oh, hey, it's Snorlax Day. Yo. Magmar. This is all the same cards from the last pack I
It
opened.
is.
Oh, except for that. Raichu.
It's good. How we know even foreign sets do the same thing.
They were in a different order, but it was like the same cards.
Yeah. Gotta love Pokemon, honestly.
No, I maybe someone in the comments, and I could Google it.
Oh look, Snorlax.
It really is Snorlax Day. Oh boy. I don't know, because they always say like it's simplified Chinese. Is there Chinese and then simplified Chinese? Is there a difference? I really don't know.
I don't know. Well, I don't know.
I'm just curious if there's a difference. Right up.
Fruit. Digi. Speaking. Peach.
I kind of like how there's only 5 cards. It just makes it so kind of
It is.
easier.
They feel a little different compared to the.
They feel kind of more like the Japanese, a
Yeah.
little bit more glossy. Bellsprout. You can go with Oddish.
Right?
Gotten 3 grass types. Alright, Oddish. Magneton. Yodo. Utor. I'm a snake.
Oh my goodness.
Boy, we have a mess to clean up, don't we?
Look at that.
Keep it under the rug, right?
Honestly.
Oh, that's cool. T-Bone. No, Marowak.
Oh, we didn't get a grass type.
Nope.
A ground type?
I like the, what is it, the Alolan version of it?
Yeah.
Where, like, the bone is on, like, fire.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool looking. Anyway,
There, yeah. Paris.
Persect.
Anita. Oros.
My last box here. I don't want to get more of these. Kind of fun.
They are fun.
That's how they get you.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta get every magnet,
Right.
every card.
I just want the magnet.
With Clefairy. Or Fable.
You don't know.
I was close. At least I'm not like, I don't know. So far, my favorite magnet, probably that allergy.
Yes. It is really. I want the Mew.
That would be also cool. I wonder if there's some that are rarer or if they made equal amount.
I don't know. I think they might be rare.
Trio, Creepy Slowpoke, Right On, Magikarp. Oh, a shiny Jigglypuff. Yeah, I don't remember shinies. No, there is shinies in. Is there shinies in that Violet 151? I can't remember.
I don't remember either.
Maybe this isn't shiny. Maybe they're just.
It's shiny.
I don't know, because I thought shiny Jigglypuff was a different color.
It just its eyes really change, and I think it gets like a slight paler pink.
I don't know. Some of the shinies don't change that.
No,
Oh, Dodrio. Well,
we didn't get any duplicates.
yeah, no duplicates, but we didn't get any of like Charizard or anything like that. But that's fine. I'm glad there's no duplicates.
Yeah.
I like how they can kind of connect together though. So it's
Butterfree. Eevee.
Machoke.
Yeah, that teeny.
Ooh, Electabuzz. And yeah, that was best.
It was, but it was fun.
It surely was. But yeah, look at that. So we'll have to put them on the fridge or something. But you can see how they kind of lock together like that. And then you take another one. That. And you can keep going until you have all of them.
Yeah. Things.
As we'll just do these like that. Cool. They'll probably lock better once they're on like a metal surface. But I'll probably put them on the refrigerator.
I wasn't expecting them to be so heavy.
Well, the magnet is only that little part there. I hope it's a strong magnet. That's pretty cool. I like that. Thank you, Caitlin.
You're welcome.
Pretty cool Christmas. I know that we recorded this video a little after Christmas, but we're busy with life. Let's leave it at that.
Yeah.
And you're about Chunky Boy. The magnets to each other.
That is really strong.
But it's also two magnets. But anyways,
Still.
we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.